In the deep jungle, the lost city of Aranya was very quiet. Too quiet. Aryan walked in front. Leela checked the trees. Maya looked around with curiosity. There was no wind, no birds. The whole place felt strange. Maya saw a banyan root glowing with purple light. Aryan and Leela quickly came to her. From above, the little monkey watched them. Something in Aranya was waking up, and they were about to find it. The ground started shaking. The roots began to move. Suddenly, a giant root came out of the earth. It rushed toward Maya. Aryan jumped forward and stopped it with his hands. Leela jumped high and cut the root with her sword. The root screamed and turned into ash. The dust settled. Something in Aranya was getting stronger. The jungle suddenly became silent. Aryan, Leela, and Maya looked up. A dark shape appeared on top of the temple. It was Mathrikudu, the one spreading the corruption. His eyes glowed purple. A purple shockwave spread everywhere. The jungle started changing. Flowers turned into jaws. Vines became snakes. Stones turned black. Mathrikudu laughed at them. He was enjoying their fear. Purple energy swirled around the temple. The whole place twisted with corruption. Aryan and Leela stood ready. A big fight was coming. Aryan and Leela got ready to fight. Maya hid behind the wall with the little monkey. Mathrikudu waited on top of the temple. Aryan and Leela ran up the steps. Vines attacked them, but Aryan broke them. Leela shot arrows and cleared the way. They kept going up. The big battle was close. Mathrikudu raised his staff. Purple power filled the air. Aryan reached the top. His golden light shined. Leela aimed her arrow. Mathrikudu shot a big purple blast. Aryan stopped it with his hands. Leela fired her arrow. It broke the dark magic. The temple shook everywhere. Aryan and Leela moved forward. The final fight started. Mathrikudu fell. His purple power disappeared. The dark corruption broke. The temple became clean again. Aryan stood strong. His golden light shined. Leela helped Maya come up. The little monkey came too. Mathrikudu turned into ashes. The jungle came alive again. Sunlight returned. Peace came back to Aranya. Aryan, Leela, and Maya walked away together.